Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is one of the chart, H4 chart of gold I made on 25th July, right? It's a triangle. And after finishing wave 3, then you have A, B, C, D, E. I said, well, if we hold above the TL, we might be going to the upside. Triangle may have finished here, right? Now, it started to go up here and hit the TL. And when it was hitting the TL, I made the chart. Let me show you that another chart is what like this. So this was hitting the TL here. The TL was coming here, right? So it went up and it was here. And then if you pull the fib from here to here, you see that it is like around 78%. Now, see this drama here, dragging to the upside kind of range, right? So basically, it was on my 1,000 box size chart was like an ending diagonal. That's what I thought. Maybe it's an ending diagonal, and after that, price usually drop, right? And that's exactly what happened. So it dropped. So I made another chart, that 40 box size chart here, 4-hour chart I showed you here, that this thing probably, if it's going to drop from 78%, usually it goes back to 38%. Based on what? Based on this harmonic pattern, right? Calculation that XA be at 78%, C at 38 or 23% sometimes, but most likely from 78 to 38. Then it bounced to the upside going for 127 or 161 extension. So this is at point D, then the butterfly pattern is finished. But I always, keeping that in mind, and I trade every single leg of this. Even under construction, I trade that, right? So here, basically, when I said it's going to drop to 38%, it dropped. Boom. Right? 31, 33, 31 is there. Right? So now here, I made another chart saying that it's gonna go up. And it was on 12th August. Right? Why? Because of based on this, butterfly calculation, this is what happened. If it is going to make the butterfly pattern, right? If not, then it's fine. It's not gonna bounce, it's just gonna drop. My thing is that if it is going to bounce, then it has to give me a reversal candle and then my setup on 150 box size chart on a Renko candle. So if I look at the Renko candle here, on the 1,000 this is what the 1,000 So it's making a double top, right? So it's a 38% line is this. So it started to bounce, then it came back down. But now I don't have a reversal candle here. So what I need is a reversal candle here. And then I'll go jump on my 150 box size chart, and this is what it is, right? Right now you can see that is all these lines are below the red line, so it is not bullish in my book, right? In my system. So by the time I have a reversal candle here, and then maybe one or two a blue candle, and it should be here above this wave here, and then ready to go to the upside. As you can see here on a 4-hour chart, that we are just at 38%, and 127 is way far outside up there, right? So are we going to hold here and then go to the upside? Time will tell. We will see. But this is where I stand right now. It can drop, like I said in the diagram, that sometimes what happens is that it dropped 38% and then failed to go to the upside and then drop to 23% and then go to the upside. That is one possibility, right? So to avoid confusion, that's my system required that I must have a reversal candle to go to the upside, right? So, which right now, as it is, I don't have it. I have red, 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 red. Reversal candle is like this middle candle here where the body is very small. Let me open it a little bit. And see that this one is a reversal candle. From the top, this one is a reversal candle. It's all wick to the top, wick to the bottom. And this was a reversal candle, right? This is a reversal candle. This is a reversal candle here. So I need here in the bottom, right? And if I have a reversal candle, then I will pay attention. I will divert my attention towards the upside. and then I'll wait for the 150 buck size chart. If not, then it can still, slowly drop to 23% line instead of bouncing from 38. It may go to 23% line. This fib here, it's a little different, I think. Yeah, it is from here to here. But if I can go back to the one I'm looking at, and that would be this, right? So you can see clearly that it is at 38%, trying to break it to the downside, though, right? But here, so 38%, and then this level also very important. What is the level number? Why I don't have it here? Okay, 33.33 is the one that it is flirting right now. See that? This is what it is, 33.31. If 33.31 hold and then we bounce, then we will go to the upside, and 150 will give me the entry here somewhere, and I'm going to take that. All right, so this is where the gold stand, and again, daily chart right now looks like this. It's a triangle. It's an A, B, C, D, E, and then supposedly going to the upside. Out of that, I think this is like wave 1, 2, and then going up like 3, 4, 5. That's Elliott wave count wise. And here, and look, if you're looking at the harmonic pattern wise, then we have X, A, B, C, and then D to 127, 161 here, right? That would be the bearish butterfly pattern. Then we're going to dip here a little bit and then continue to go to the upside. All right. So this is what the gold is doing right now. I hope, it's like between triangle and then ending diagonal, all of that. You don't get confused, right? But if you like to learn all of that, just go on my website and then subscribe or get this one-on-one coaching. I'll make you master of all these harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, blah, 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 right? So, and then don't forget to sign up for this free Telegram button is right there on my website, right? Where you can be added in my Telegram, the free Telegram. And I usually post some, setups, and then after the, after charts, before charts, after charts, to show that, this is how it is happening, right? For example, if you go on my website here, whoops, what the heck? If you see the before and after chart, so, recently what happened here, I think I have posted, I don't know. This is gold. See, this is a diagonal. So no, I haven't posted yet, but very nice USD yen, and then euro yen, pound yen. I made the chart before, supposed to be going to the upside, and they all went very nicely. And I have this, trade USD yen to the upside, pound yen to the upside. Beautiful trades today, right? I made the video already. You can watch that a video before this video, right? So this is it for now, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys very soon if I'm still alive, right? So take care and have a very nice, wonderful rest of the trading week, which is one more day.